If you want your button to actually do something when a user taps it, you need to add a click event trigger in Thunkable. This is what turns a simple visual button into an interactive element that can navigate screens, change text, or run any app logic. Start by opening Thunkable in your browser and selecting the project you want to work on. Once your project loads, go to the screen that contains the button you want to configure. Click on the button to select it. After selecting it, switch to the blocks view. This is where you define what happens when the button is clicked. Inside the block editor, look for the event block that says something like when button click or when button is clicked. This block is the click event trigger. It automatically runs whenever a user taps the button on the screen. Once you have the click event block, you need to attach an action to it. Drag in another block that represents what you want the button to do. For example, you can connect it to a block that navigates to another screen, changes a label's text, shows a message, or updates a value. When you snap these blocks together, you are basically telling Thunkable, when the button is clicked, do this action. That connection is what makes your app interactive. For example, if you want the button to move the user to another page, you would connect the click event block to a navigate to screen block. If you wanted to update text on the screen, you would connect it to a block that sets a label's text. You can also combine multiple actions under the same click event. For instance, a single button click can both save data and navigate to another screen. The blocks will run in order, creating a sequence of actions. If you're using Thunkable's AI chat instead of manually building blocks, you can simply describe what you want. You can type something like, when the button is clicked, go to the next screen, and the system will automatically generate the click event and attach the correct logic. After setting everything up, use Live Preview to test your button. Tap it on the screen and check if the action runs correctly. If nothing happens, it usually means the event block is not connected properly to an action block. And that's how you add a click event trigger to a button in Thunkable. Select the button, open the blocks view, use the when button click event block, and attach the action you want it to perform.